Holy moly, the most powerful AC we'll be unboxing in 2025. Hey guys, Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I've got something very interesting to show you all. So lately I've been looking to buy like a brand new AC for my home. So thing is, we already had like ACs installed in our bedrooms, but I was looking for an AC for my living room purpose. You people know, right? Living rooms are usually a bit larger in size compared to your regular bedrooms. So I was looking for something powerful, AI controlled, and obviously something different. So today I got my hands on a brand new model from Hire, and let me tell you, this particular AC has like very interesting features and has like lots of AI controls as well. This is Hire's all new Gravity Series 2025 and is India's only AI climate control AC that literally comes with like fabric sort of finish design. So most of the ACs that you see in the Indian market have like very simple white, simple looking design, right? But see, not everybody would like to go for that, right? Maybe you have a modern home with like premium interiors and you might be looking for a similar sort of AC that will match up with the whole aesthetics of your home. Then you can definitely have a look at this model, guys. As I have told you, Hire's all new Gravity Series ACs have a beautiful and rich looking design. We'll definitely come there and talk about that. Keeping that aside, this particular AC also has like other interesting features. You're getting something called as supersonic cooling. It's a 1.6 ton 5-star rated energy efficient AC and can really fast cool down within 10 seconds, guys. That is like super fast compared to your conventional ACs. Apart from that, it's also fully Wi-Fi enabled, smart features, AI climate control is also there, and plenty of other stuff. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 10-12 days I've got this AC installed at my place and have been using it regularly, and today in this video I'll be sharing my detailed experience and feedback regarding the AC. We'll talk about all of its features, design, not to miss out its AI climate control as well. So make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let me share you my experience with the whole installation and setup process. Installation happened very smoothly, guys. As soon as the AC got delivered at my place, right, within one day only, Hire's service team called me and sent a technician to my place, and the whole installation process went very smoothly. Quite professional is what I can say. Not a single cable coming out from the AC, and handled it very well. Plus I didn't face any dust also, because the team was actually carrying like a dust collection bag, and with the help of that only they've done like a neat and clean job. Anyways, moving on, now let me give you a closer look at Hire's Gravity Series AC, and first of all talk about the whole design and build quality. So there you go, here's how Hire Gravity Series AI climate control AC looks like, and I've told you, right, it's a highly energy efficient 5-star rated AC. So you're getting all the features and smart things checklisted over here. First of all, you're getting 100% grooved copper tubing, bluefin coating is also there, comes with R32 eco-friendly refrigerant gas, and not to miss out, it is also AI enabled, guys. You're getting AI climate control as well. Design of this particular model is a main highlight, guys, because most of the ACs that you see in the market has a very simple sort of design, guys. They mostly come in like a simple white finish, but not everybody would actually prefer going for that sort of color and finish, right? Maybe you have like a modern sort of interiors at your home and maybe you're looking for some different colors or something like that to go with aesthetic look and feel, right? Then you can actually check out Hire's Gravity series, because in this particular series, right, you're getting 5 different colors, and that too come with a beautiful fabric finish. You get morning mist, galaxy slate, and the one we have right now is the moonstone gray edition. I'm not sure if you people can check it out in the video, but the front panel of the AC has this fabric finish sort of texture, while the rest of the body has a smooth surface finish. Definitely adds a bit of class and rich feel to the product. You do have your 5-star energy efficient rating sticker on the top right corner, and not to miss out, there is also a white LED status indicator that gives you plenty of information like the current room temperature, Wi-Fi status on or off, and different other stuff. And good thing is you can even toggle that on or off, guys, the display using the app control or even the remote. Not only on the indoor unit, even if you check out the outdoor unit as well, right, very well built, guys, and basically adds in like anti-corrosive properties and is like very tough, made to withstand harsh weather conditions like sunlight or even like rain and these sort of stuff. So increases the overall longevity and also durability of the unit. Let me give you a closer look at the AC's remote control and show you all the available buttons, modes and functions on this model. So this is how Hire's Gravity Series remote control looks like. It's a very compact and cute looking remote. You're getting full on white finishing and love the texture as well. You're getting a brushed sort of finish at the top panel. There's a display as well to the top that shows you plenty of information information like the current temperature, swing mode, fan speed, and plenty of other stuff. This one is your power button. You got different AC control modes available like cooling mode, fan mode, dry mode is also there, and also including turbo and quiet mode function also. Not to miss out, AI echo mode is also there. We'll definitely come there and talk about the different AC modes in a moment. At the center you got your temperature control, fan speed adjustment, swing mode control is also there, and on the bottom side you're getting a couple of buttons which include AC control lock, reset function, and not to miss out status LED on or off button. Also guys, remember at the beginning I've told you that this is a smart Wi-Fi enabled AC, so you don't need remote control. You can also control all the AC features and functions using a smart app on your phone called as HiSmart. Simply install that, follow all the on-screen instructions, and you'll be paired with your AC within minutes. And once you do that, you can easily access all the AC modes, adjust the fan control, cooling modes, AI climate control features, and plenty of other stuff. And one more highlight is it also supports voice control feature as well, so you don't even need to use your remote or even the smartphone app. All you need to do is simply give like voice commands, as it supports like Google Assistant and also Amazon Alexa guys. So that is also a great feature. So this is how the HiSmart app looks like. You're getting a clean and modern looking UI, and all the controls are also like very easily accessible. It shows you the current ambient room temperature and also the current mode the temperature has been set on the AC. You can easily set and adjust the AC temperature. Fan speed adjustments are also there. Additional functions include swing control. There's also a turbo mode. Quiet mode is also there if preferable, and this is probably the main highlight of the AC. It comes with AI climate control. This particular feature automatically adapts and learns to the kind of temperatures and different modes that you're setting over time, and based on that it will automatically apply the appropriate settings depending on the user and their requirements based on the ambient temperature. So you'll get like optimal sort of results guys. And not only that, AI climate control also tracks your electricity usage, basically full on monitoring guys. It shows you how much power has been consumed by the AC over a period of time. You can check out weekly analysis, monthly analysis, everything in a graphical pattern over here. Just check out this app. In the AI climate control, you're also getting something known as AI echo mode and also AI climate assistant. So AI echo mode automatically learns your usage patterns, and as I've told you, adjusts the tonnage capacity, basically the cooling capacity, and also the temperature depending on your ambient room and the number of occupants in the room. So basically fine tunes the settings. You'll get like an optimal and comfortable experience, at the same time managing energy efficiency to keep the electricity bill as low as possible. So this is a part you people have been waiting for, right? How is the overall cooling performance and efficiency of this AC? First of all, let me tell you, I've been using this AC for the last couple of days, and overall cooling performance was actually pretty good for the price that you're paying. This is a 1.6 ton rated AC, right? So basically these sort of ACs are suitable for like mid-size to large size rooms up to like 180 square feet. I've got this installed in our living room and has a space roughly around like 170 to 175 square feet, and the cooling performance was actually quite sufficient for this size area guys, not an issue at all. Now if you ask about the cooling modes, you're getting different cooling modes. Again, I've told you, right? You're getting something known as your regular cool mode. Dry mode is also there for humid sort of situations. Your regular fan operation mode is also there. Apart from this, you're getting two special modes known as turbo mode and quiet mode. So depending on the scenario, you can select any of these modes. And let me tell you, this highest gravity series AC also supports supersonic cooling. So basically the whole cooling starts within 10 seconds only as soon as you power it on, which is almost like 20 times more faster than your conventional AC guys. So maybe you are coming from work and you're tired and you want the AC to instantly turn on. In these sort of situations, right, you'll be like quite happy and pleased with the performance over here. Now if you ask about the range and the coverage, let me tell you, the airthrow on this particular model was actually quite impressive. In the regular cooling mode, you can easily expect around like 10 to 15 meters of airthrow, but once you enable the turbo mode, right, the max cooling performance, here you can even expect up to like 20 meters of airthrow. So even if a guy is sitting at the other end of your room, right, he'll also feel like cool breeze coming out of the AC guys. So overall coverage was pretty nice. And I forgot to mention, the AC also has like 4-way auto swing adjustment. Most of the ACs only have like one direction auto adjustment, the other direction should be manual, right? But that is not the case over here. Haier has definitely not compromised in these sort of segments. You're getting 4D automatic swing adjustment. Not only horizontal, vertical swing is also there. So you can easily adjust the swing directions in 4 different directions using the remote control or even the app on your phone. So now let's talk about its convertibility. Haier's Gravity series is a 7-in-1 convertible AC. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of people have this question, like their AC supports convertible options, but what exactly does it do? Like 5-in-1 convertible options are there, 7-in-1 convertible ACs. So let me exactly tell you what it does. Convertibility is basically adjusting the cooling capacity of your AC, guys. On this particular model, you can adjust the cooling capacity from 40% to 110% in 7 different steps. Hence the name 7-in-1 convertible AC. And by doing this, right, you can greatly save your energy in a lot of different scenarios. Say for example, there are only 2 kids in the room, guys. So 2 kids would obviously not need like full capacity of the AC, right? There what you can do is you can adjust the cooling capacity of this AC and set it to maybe like 45 or 50%, which is more than enough for 2 kids. And by doing this, as I have told you, you can greatly save your power bill. Now say suppose you're having a party at your place and you have a lot of guests. What you can do is you can set the cooling capacity to 100 or 110% depending on the situation and get maximum cooling performance out of your AC. So just like this, guys, depending on the situation, you can adjust the convertibility in 7 different steps and greatly get cooling performance, at the same time save power bill as well. Wait a second, I didn't tell you about the noise levels on this particular model, right? So let me tell you, noise levels can totally depend on the cooling mode that you're using, and also obviously on the fan speed as well. In the turbo profile mode, when you're setting the fan to like maximum, right, the noise levels were roughly around like 43 to 44 dB, guys. So it was a bit audible. I wouldn't say it's like the super silent AC that I've seen in the recent times. Obviously in turbo cooling profile mode, fan would be set to like maximum profile, so noise will be a bit audible. But if you go to the quiet profile mode where the fan is set to like lowest speed, right, there the noise levels were roughly around like 32 to 33 dB, guys. So quite acceptable is what I can say. One more thing I forgot to mention is the AC also has like self-cleaning function built into it. I mean, obviously if you're using the AC on a regular basis, dust will accumulate on it, and you'll need to do a bit of maintenance once in a while. I do agree that the AC comes with a built-in antibacterial filter that will try to filter out a lot of allergens or maybe pollens that are present in your room, so you'll get like a clean and odor-free experience. But still, over time, right, dust will obviously accumulate in the dust filters over here, and for that you'll need to do a bit of maintenance. So here what you can do is simply use its frost self-cleaning feature. So this feature will automatically clean the interiors of the indoor unit AC and also applies like wet wash technology, guys, and the whole cleaning process roughly takes around like 20-21 minutes and use like cold expansion and express washing to offer you like better drainage and overall life efficiency. So end result is you'll get like much cleaner air and also reduces unnecessary servicing needs, plus extends the AC lifespan as well. So that's it, guys, our video on how I solved your Gravity series 1.6 ton 7-in-1 Intelli convertible 5-star rated energy efficiency AC. You're getting plenty of interesting features like AI climate control is there, smart Wi-Fi enabled, not to miss out all the top rated features like 100% grooved copper tubing, bluefin coating is there, R32 refrigerant gas, and basically checks everything, guys. So the pricing for this AC starts at around 51,990 rupees. I'll try to leave the product links in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.